How to connect Instagram with Meta Business Suite. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site metabusinesssuite.com. It will land you on the official page of Meta Business Suite. Enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, click on the settings at the bottom left corner. Inside settings, head over to Business Assets and then move into Instagram accounts. In this page, it will show you all the list of the accounts that you are connected. Well, if you want to add another Instagram account, click on Add Instagram Account. You need to read these guidelines and then click on the checkbox. After that, click on Claim Instagram Account. Now you have to enter the login credential of your account. Once you have entered, click on Sign In. Once again, you have to click on Claim Instagram Account. There you go, your Instagram account has been connected to your Meta Business Suite. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.